You never said it.
Right.
What's that for?
God. Right. Stop! Stop. Right, stop. Right, ready,
3,
and
2, 1.
action.
2 cents. Makeup. Can we get makeup? Too shiny.
You ready? What are they called? Stop eating the ingredients! From Bird's Eye, and they are 20-minute meals. Cut! Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pip, and today I am joined by my lovely husband Anthony.
Hiya.
And my gorgeous little girl Izzy. Today we are doing today we are doing something a little bit different. We have been sent some recipe cards by Bird's Eye, and they are healthy, nutritious 20-minute meals, fuss-free family meals to do at tea time. There are 4 recipe cards to choose from, and each recipe card has been put together by an Instagrammer, and we have decided to go with the recipe put together by Toby and Rue, and she has put together a recipe called the Tasty Taco Boats with Bird's Eye Chicken Dippers. So let's get started. Each recipe is supposed to take 20 minutes from start to finish, so we are going to set the clock going. Are we ready? Steady!
Steady!
Go!
20 minutes.
So I've got all the ingredients set out. So what you need for this recipe are Bird's Eye chicken dippers, sweet potatoes, the old El Paso tortilla boats, cheese, lettuce, defrosted sweet corn, a pepper, Tex-Mex dip selection, cherry tomatoes, and spring onions. And you also need a drizzle of oil. So the first thing on the recipe card that we have to do is preheat the oven and cook the Bird's Eye chicken dippers per the instructions on the packet. You'll want 12 dippers, 3 per taco boat. Right, so we've got the oven on, so we need to pop those on the tray, 3 each, but I think we'll only do more, won't we, than 3, and get those cooking. We also need to slice the sweet potato, pop it onto a baking tray, and put it into the oven for the same length of time as the chicken dippers. So we're just going to pop those in the oven on 190 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. The next thing we need to do is chop the tomatoes and peppers and mix them with the sweet corn. But what we're going to do is put them into individual serving bowls and then put all the ingredients together when we're sat down at the table. The recipe card also says that we have to put the sweet corn into some boiling water, a pan of boiling water, but what we're going to do is just pop it into the microwave. Next we need to chop the spring onions and the lettuce. That's the tomatoes and red peppers chopped, spring onions chopped, and lettuce chopped up and popped into bowls. The next thing we need to do is grate the cheese. I'm just going to pop the tortilla boats in the oven for 7 minutes, and then I'm going to set the table. So we've got 4.5 minutes left on the clock. Everything is chopped and prepped. Cheese is grated, and the chicken dippers are just about to come out of the oven, and we're almost ready to serve. Ooh, yummy! Yummy! So we've just passed the 20-minute mark, but I think that's because we've been filming and faffing about. So we're just waiting on the tortilla boats to warm up, and then we are done. Ooh, scrumptious!
Cheers.
Cheers! Like them? What's your verdict? Thumbs up? You've got it on your nose. Thumbs up from me. Is it thumbs up from you? Yay! That's dinner finished and we've all really enjoyed it. We don't tend to buy like packet food, so we were a bit sceptical at first as to what it was going to taste like, but we've really enjoyed it and it was really fun building the taco boats, and Izzy got really involved and she ate everything, so it's a thumbs up from us. I think sometimes it's really hard to try and think of different things to make for tea every evening. And if you're like me, I find cooking such a chore. So a recipe that's fast and simple, easy, quick to make, it gets the thumbs up from me. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've tried this recipe or any of the other 4 bird's eye 20-minute recipes, let me know and leave a comment below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!